In this video, we're going to take a look at a function called enable and disable user. Now, I have a number of user codes enabled in this lock, and I want to disable user code 4. User code 4, that person is going on vacation for the next 2 weeks, and I don't want anyone being able to open the lock with that person's code. So if user 4 has given his code to somebody else, I don't want them opening it. And the reason I wouldn't want to do this is on my audit trail, it shows me user code opened the safe at this date and time. Well, if that person is away and someone knows his code, they can open it. And on the audit, it'll show it was him, but we know he was on vacation. So we just want to be able to control the accuracy of the report and make sure that we don't have any misrepresentations of what's going on. So ID4, I'm going to let them go on a holiday for 2 weeks. I'm going to take them out of the system by disabling them. The code will still be there, but it just won't be allowed to open the safe. How do you do that? Press the menu button, scroll down to System Menu, press OK, enter a manager or a supercode, and then you scroll to Disable User. Disable User, press OK, and it's going to say which one? ID3? No, I want ID4. So I press the button from 3 to 4, and now I press OK, and that user has now been disabled. So when user 4 enters his code, it will say invalid code. And basically what it said is, I don't recognize this code. Now, when user 4 comes back and we want to enable the code, we go to Menu, System Menu, enter your manager code, and then we go to Enable User Code. Enable User, press OK, and it says, I see that 4 is disabled. Would you like to enable it? Yes. And now it says user 4 is enabled again. So when I go back out of here and user 4 enters their code, it now will verify it and say, oh yeah, this is a valid code. I'll open the safe for you. So you see I didn't have to add the code again. I simply just turned it back on. That's called enabling the user code. All right, so that's disable user and enable user with the ProLogic system from SECURAM.